In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find files shared with specific people in Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Let's say you have a busy Google Drive account and you want to quickly see which files were shared with certain people. This is really useful when managing projects or checking who still has access to your documents. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then log into your Google Drive account. At the top of the screen, locate the search bar. On the far right side of that bar, click the search options icon, the one that looks like 3 sliders. An advanced search window will appear. Scroll down until you see the field labeled Shared To. Now type the name or email address of the person you want to search for. As you type, Google Drive may also suggest matching contacts automatically. Once the correct person is entered, click the blue search button at the bottom right corner of the window. Google Drive will now display all files that were shared with that specific person, making it easier to review permissions or locate shared documents. There is also a faster method. Click directly into the main search bar and type to, followed immediately by the person's email address, then press enter. For example, you can type to example@gmail.com to instantly search for files shared with that account. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.